Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you all are happy and healthy. So my dear students, today we will do the reading of a poem, Bird Talk. So you have to listen carefully and repeat after me. Okay, let's start a poem. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be the way? So this poem, Bird Talk, the poet is Ellen Fisher. Okay, now see what the poem is about. Here, see. Basically, this poem is about the bird talk, where a conversation between these two birds, and these two birds are sitting in a garden. Okay, wherein they were discussing how they differ from human beings. वो human beings से कैसे different हैं. Okay, so they boast of the fact that they have feathers that humans do not. Okay, they have feathers, but all human beings don't have feathers. They also saying that they have wings and they sitting on wires and things. So they were saying, both of birds were saying that no human being having feathers and no human beings having wings, and they don't like sitting on wires or on the things. Human beings, and they were saying that human beings are incapable to doing these things like we do. Okay, and they were talking about they feel that they enjoy more freedom than human beings, as they can also fly away and with their wings, and they can place where they want to sit. But they were enjoying, and they were saying they having freedom as compared to the human beings, because human beings doesn't have their wings, and they are not able to sit on wires and things, so they cannot fly like us. They were thinking that we are lucky, and they having more freedom from human beings, because human being cannot fly because they don't have their wings, and they are not able to sit on wires, on branches, on trees. They cannot enjoy the weather also of trees. So they are talking about these things, that they have more freedom, and the name of these two birds are robin. One is robin and one is jay. Okay, so they were laughing on people because human beings don't have their wings to fly, and they were comparing them to human beings, that we have wings, we can fly, we have the freedom to fly, but the human beings don't have the freedom to fly. Okay, my dear students, now mark the hard words for the dictation. Robin, think, sitting, garden, talking. Feathers, people, grow. Beetles, wings, wires, funny. Okay, so one more word, sitting. Okay, so these are the hard words you have to practice for the dictation. Okay, so keep practicing, keep learning. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz.